Oh, hi everyone. I hope you all are doing great. And today I will talk about the Chat GPT. So I already have shared my screen and I will show you the main concept or how we can use this Chat GPT in our daily life and how this is useful. Many of the people are talking in the world like Chat GPT will eat our job and soon we will jobless. It is absolutely incorrect because Chat GPT is just software. It's an application based on AI, which will help developer to do the 10x job faster. It will increase our production time. It will increase our coding skills. Maybe it will increase our research time. Because as you know, if you do a query on the Google will give you lot answer. But in the Chat GPT, it will not give you a lot answer. It will give you a single answer. If you are not happy with that, you can tell us, hey, I'm not happy with your answer. Please do some more or give me some more answers. So they will give us the absolutely correct answers. But there are lots of demerits in the or disadvantage in the Chat GPT. I will show you how we can use this Chat GPT. I will just explain here. Write HTML form with CSS and fields like name, password, subject. So I have given here the wrong spell mistakes here, but it will correct. I have just sent some request and yeah, as you can see, they have started creating the field and they are starting creating the form. So definitely it will save your time and directly we can copy and paste here in our HTML or somewhere in the browser, and we directly can make changes in that and we can go live. So as you can see, it is much faster than searching on the Google and getting the result from Stack Overflow or W3 Schools and all. So that's why I personally like ChatGPT because I have increased my 5 times productivity time. As you can see in my left side, I always regularly use this ChatGPT. It is it will also help you to debug your existing code, find out the bugs, find out the not the bugs, find out the mistakes in your code. And that's why I love this ChatGPT. I will make one detailed video very soon on this ChatGPT. This was just a demo how you can use this. Just you have to follow the good commands which they can understand. As you can see, I have my code. I will just copy from here. I will open my Sublime and I will paste here and I will save as a index.php, sorry, HTML somewhere on desktop, and I will run immediately in front of you so you can this one. And as you can see, within a second they have given me entire code for the name, password, subject and submit button. I also can instruct them, hey, please use JavaScript, Ajax and PHP. So it will so I have just given one command, please use JavaScript and PHP in above code. So he will read my code, whatever they have written before, and then they will use JavaScript and PHP. See, if you have any questions regarding how to use ChatGPT, how it is useful in our coding standard, maybe you belong to the design team, maybe you belong to the developer, maybe you are not in the HTML JavaScript. So do let me know. Give your comment in the comment section. I will read it out and I will make one more video for you. So thank you. Have a great day.